Welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Our team was recently discussing some of the ancillary items that complete the battery charging areas from floor to ceiling. So today let's literally talk about epoxy floor systems from BHS. Over 15 years ago, our engineered systems team recognized the need to level out the floors in the operator aboard battery charging areas. They had been left unaddressed throughout the history of the operator aboard machines. So BHS came to the conclusion that the implementation of a battery flooring system would greatly enhance and increase the life of the operator aboard battery extractor systems. When we started studying the epoxy floor systems, we also realized there was a dual benefit. OSHA regulation 1926-441A-4 says that floors shall be of acid-resistant construction unless a means of accumulating the acid is provided. For those customers who would like the dual protection along with the drip pans, they can apply the epoxy floor system, assure that they'll give long life, low maintenance to their battery charging areas. One of the key features of it is its very impact, chemical, and abrasive resistance. It actually has a 10,000 pound per square inch rating compared to a typical concrete floor that is 3,000 pounds. We utilize a 4-step process for the installation of our flooring system. Step 1 is where we prepare the existing concrete floor. We actually go in and remove about 1/16 of an inch of the existing concrete, and then we key around the edges, including the points at the expansion joint as well as the outer perimeter. This assures a tight chemical bond. Step 2 is the primer, which will actually start the bonding process. Step 3 is the application of the 2 coats of mortar, which will give you the 1/4 inch thickness. The final installation will be your 2 top coats, and this will include your anti-skid, slight abrasion surface, as well as the coloring. And then in 32 hours, you're ready to drive your forklifts on, and we'll complete the installation of your battery charging area. We offer a 5-year warranty. It's unheard of in the industry. We do have an alternate for the epoxy that we've talked about here today. It is our 30 mil thickness featured product. It's for those charging rooms that have far less traffic or don't have the fixed travel path vehicles. The difference, to be more specific for you, is that the 30 mil thickness specification does not include the mortar. It would be the 2 top coats of epoxy and the epoxy primer. For more information about this unique product offering, get hold of your inside sales rep at BHS. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.